Hi guys, now I'm going to show you how to do a one-off email to your list that you have actually put tags on. So I'm going to send you lot how to send a broadcast, and I want the bizstackpro option. So trying to keep everybody's thing private. So you've got them on a smart list. So 20 records. Okay, so on this page, I've got 120 records, but I've got all 146 in the list. So I'm going to send all 146 people on my email list to do a broadcast. So then I've set the template up already. Let me move me out of the way. I made it bigger because, so I want to, okay, proceed. And let's just get me out of the way. Okay, we've done the email template and it's called bizstackpro. I can't get this out of the way. bizstackpro, this one. So there is a new community and I'm just showing you how to get more sales in the community. So then you put your name in here. Then you put your from email, which is that one. Then you scroll down. So I'll send all at once. And we're going to put sent email community sale link. Then you go send email. Then that's it, guys. This is so easy. It's amazing. So there's so much I want to teach you. If you've got any questions, just please ask below in the comments or send me a reply to this email. If you want to be with me, did you notice the t-shirt? Click the link below.